In this video, I will show you how to edit order confirmation email on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over in here on our settings. Now, on our settings right here, what we can do is we can head over and scroll down until you can see the option in here for notifications. Now in here, you should be able to see in here customer notifications. So click on that. And then from in here, you can see this order processing. Now we just need to look for the order confirmation. So this is that one, so click on it. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see in here this template that's already readily been made by Shopify. So if you want to edit it out, what you can do is you can click on this edit code right here. Now on this edit code, you can change the email subject, the email body, and as you can see, it's on HTML. So you need to be very knowledgeable on this kind of thing in order to edit it. But you can also just edit out some few things, like for example, thank you for your purchase. You can edit that out to be a thank you only or a thing that you have right here. And then once you have done that, you just need to save this. And you can also click on this preview right here in order to see what it will look like on your preview. And as you can see, this is what it will look like. So you can also send out a test email that you will receive on your actual email, but that you have actually registered to Shopify. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so if you leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.